Hello, in this video I'm going to warm up this rice. Yeah, so but first but first I wanna introduce you to this. It's new. Before there was all gas, but now it's like I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's like now it's like this, and I just click on this and I click this and it warms up. Like I click on here and here. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's just an update on the kitchen, it's upgraded a lot. So while my kitchen is upgraded, obviously my video quality and audio quality and cooking quality has not improved a lot. So that's why I'm still warming up my food and still recording with my phone. So anyway, um, first of all, to warm up rice, you gotta no uh yeah you got to get some spoon like this, and you just okay, this is not the right one. Um, get spoon like this, I think. Yeah. Okay. So you do it like that, and you just put this rice into the pan. So I'll do one to show you if you don't know how to put rice into a pan. That's how you do it. So I'm just gonna do the rest quickly, and then yeah, I'll start warming the food up. Okay, so I've put the rice and the chicken into the pan, and there's a lot of chicken here, so it's a bit of trouble putting the food in the pan. So if there's a lot of chicken in your thing, whatever this thing is called, you might struggle. So that's just a warning if you're planning on putting rice and warming it up into your pan. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, okay. So my mom called this plov, but it doesn't look like the usual plov she makes, so I'm not sure if it's actually plov. Probably it should be plov. I mean, she calls it plov. Anyway, so I'm just gonna have to put this away. You're gonna see an awkward angle. Okay, that's my feet. Yeah, so you put this away. You take the spoon with you, of course, because you're gonna need it to warm this up. And then you just put this on there, and then we put it in the fridge. This put in the fridge now, so that's good. So now, what you got to do is turn it on, select the right one, and then I always do 6. And now I just gotta wait. It's a bit different from the gas ones, which you just spin. This one is a bit different, a bit of an upgrade. It's- yeah, that's an upgrade. Wow, and I'm flexing Bosch on you, man. But, yeah, so I'm just warming this up. Got lights here as well. Just gonna drink some water. There, I've drank my water. Now you obviously put the water back in the fridge again. So there it is in the fridge. Okay, so now this is a bit warmer. You can hear it's fizzing or sizzling or whatever call it. And you move it around. It's kind of hard to do with one hand because the pan is a bit light. So yeah, you just move it around. You want to move it around to make sure that all of it is warm, not just the bottom. So obviously you don't want it half cold, half hot. So yeah, just make sure to mix the rice around. Make sure that some of the bottom goes to the top and top goes bottom. Yeah, do that all the time, and soon it should be warm. So just here's some more demonstration that I'm actually cooking. So yeah, I'm actually warming the food up. Look, that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. You just mix it around like this. Also, something you can do is hold it like this, and then use the other hand to mix it around, so it stops moving. So something I wanted to address, not undress, address, is that I've got exams right now. So my exam is on the 15th of November. So after that, that's my last exam. So I'll be fully done with school then. But then I have lots of time, so I'll start uploading then. I've got a PS4 now, so I'm still trying to figure out how to actually screen record it so the quality is at least a bit better, so it's not recorded from my phone. And maybe I'll record some Gran Turismo, some Need for Speed Heat, maybe some other games that I got. I've only got racing games really, and I've already run out of space, even though I had it like I've now had it like maybe 2 months. um, yeah, so I'll see how I can record that. I'm not sure if I'll try make some post street videos again. Also make cooking videos like this. Um, and I haven't played Animal Crossing at all since I've uploaded that one video. But maybe I'll do more Animal Crossing again. I will actually have a lot of time. Maybe I'll do some car videos because I've got a car. I've got a Mini, like in my profile picture right now. So maybe I'll do some videos of me driving. Maybe I'll set my phone up so you can actually see where I'm going and stuff. That'll be pretty cool, I think. Or just make some things about cars and stuff. I don't know, just see. I mean, this is literally just for fun. And yeah, it's just, yeah. So that's all I'm just gonna say. But yeah, so I'll upload a lot more, hopefully. It really depends on me, and especially like sometimes sometimes I wake up very late and then I don't really have much time because I also have to do tasks as well, obviously, like take dog for a walk and stuff. Maybe I'll record. Maybe I even record myself walking the dog. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. So yeah, that's just me rambling about like addressing some stuff because my uploads have been horrible so far. Like I mean they've been horrible anyway. They're gonna stay horrible. But I mean like the my consistency has been horrible. Like I don't know, like I upload 3 videos in one day and then I don't upload for like 6 months straight. So yeah, but now that I have actually a bit of time, I will be able to upload. So that'll be fun. So now one more thing you wanna try when you're warming up your food is also I've got a plate here. Just take a bit of rice, not that much. I don't wanna. Okay, take a bit of rice, taste it, and check if it's warm or not. Mine is pretty warm now. I think it could go a bit longer, but I think I'm fine. The main thing is this stupid chicken. I hate when the chicken is on bones anyway, but I don't trust chicken, and it's like this, and I'm not sure. I can't really actually. I got chicken on my fork, so I'll taste it, and it's not really warm. That's a bit of a problem, but so I'm gonna have to try and see what can I do about that. But yeah. Also, I'm just cooking for myself, obviously. If you're cooking for other people, please use a different fork if you're gonna taste it again. But since if you're only cooking for warming it up for yourself, you can do it like this. Doesn't matter. There then. Oh. Just do this. Yeah. So that's. I'm just gonna keep warming it up. Yeah. Okay, I've decided. Even though I've only spent like 5 seconds on after I just cut the video. I'm gonna finish this. So what I'm gonna have to do is turn it off. Now it says H because it's hot. But anyway, I'm gonna put this away again. I don't know why I even put it there. You don't have to put it there. It's completely fine if it stays here. So now you take this. Maybe put this a bit more up over there so it doesn't fall down. Okay. Try not to place it. Maybe just hold it because it will probably burn something. So I'm just gonna cut. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the rice on here. Switch hands to make it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the rice on here, I hope you can't see my face, but if you do, then I guess it's fine. I don't really care. But if you see my hair, it's a bit embarrassing because it's not done at all. At least I think. I don't remember doing my hair. So yeah, you just gotta. I just realized I didn't really warm up a lot of rice, but I guess it's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna change it again because I'm not left-handed, so it's a bit hard to do it like that. I'll show you like this. So you just gotta scrape it off because a lot of it sticks on the pan annoyingly. Maybe a lot of it is already also on here, so you can just hit it on the pan and the rice will come off the spoon. If you're eating alone, you can just use the fork as well. I am sorry if your ears are being raped right now, but yeah, there's nothing I can do about that right now. Actually, I can, because look. And done. So yeah, I made a bit of a mess. I'm gonna clean it up now. So whoa. I hope you didn't see me. Fuck. I'm just gonna clean that up. You probably saw me anyway just then, but I don't have to expose myself even more. So yeah, that is the food. So now obviously, as I am a French chef and I know how I'm a French 5-star gourmet chef, yeah. I know how good food tastes. So obviously you gotta bring it to the table, like always. Place it. I also got a new table. Yeah, and okay. Anyway, so obviously you've got to taste it, right? So here we go. Croissant. It's very good. It's very good. Very good. I know it means zero in French, but very good. It's so good. So yeah, if you want good food, just watch this video. Just follow my steps, and that's how you will guarantee yourself to get good food. Oh, also something I forgot to mention was, what was I going to mention? Oh yeah, when to judge how warm the food is, you don't have to set a time or anything, or like to know when you have to be done. Just check it yourself. Is it warm? You taste it. Oh, it's warm. Then if you think it's warm enough, you can stop it. That's how simple it is actually. So yeah, that's something very nice about warming up food made from yesterday by your mom or you. But if you're able to make food, you should be able to know how to warm up food. But okay. Anyway, so obviously 5 stars like always, and yeah, that's it. Bye.